Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog today. So in today's vlog I'm going to unbox something special. And so as you know, I live in Germany, and so I actually long to get certain things from India. And a cousin of mine, he was in India and he got back some stuff for me from India, and I wanted to open it. I got it actually day before, and I waited till today because I wanted to open it together with you, because I thought if I open it before and then close it again and unbox it for the video, my expressions will not be the same. So let's see what my cousin has got for me from India. It's not a lot of stuff because he had other things to do, other things to bring back. So I just asked him like very few things. So it's only this bag. So ta-da! Look at the bag. I think I'm also in love with the bag itself because yeah, as you can see, most of the stuff for the area where I got the stuff is from the beautiful Kerala. So I'm going to take one by one out of it and I'll show it to you. So let's start. So he got this for me, and this is from Haldiram's, and I love sweets. So anything that is in the form of sugar, or in different forms of sugar, or I don't know, whatever form it is, I love it. And that is something that he got for me. Love it. So I will finish it and I'll open it now as soon as the video is over. Then, as usual, the Malayalis will know we need to have the banana chips. So that's one packet of banana chips. I love it, but I must tell, but I like banana chips, but my favorite kind of banana chips is when the banana is ripe. So you can get ripe banana chips. That is, then it won't be this yellow, it'll be brown and yellow together. And I like that banana chips more because it's more sweet, because it's a ripe banana and they're frying it, so it's more sweet. But I'm happy with this as well. Then I have very good, because in Kerala, my cousin or yeah, our family has a lot of pepper and other kinds of plantations. So they got this black pepper. You see it, right? Black pepper, yeah, for me, that's powdered, but it's actually, they plucked it really from a plantation and got it. So it's like fresh black pepper. So I have it, but I think I'm also going to give a little bit to my friend, because due to Corona, not a lot of people were traveling to India. So I think 6 months back, my black pepper was completely over. So I asked a friend of mine, and he also had only a little bit, but he shared the half with me. So now I will share from this for him. That friend will know whom I'm talking about. So that is the black pepper. Anything and everything, I put black pepper. So that's like, it's more important than salt. I think I can live without salt, but without black pepper, it's very hard. Then I have, I don't know how to, I don't know if this is there every part of India, but in Kerala we call it mixture. So it's very spicy. It's a snack that you can have with tea, coffee, or you can just have it any time of the day. It's mixture. Then I have this. So this is peanut bar. How do we call it in English? In Malayalam we say kapalli mittai. In English, what is it in English? To be frank, I don't know. In Bangalore, we used to call it chikki. So there, you get this kind of one small piece, like double piece, you get it for 1 rupee. We used to get it for 1 rupee in Bangalore. So you have all these small shops exactly opposite to colleges and schools, and we used to buy a lot of chikkis from there. They call it chikki, and Malayalam we call it kapalli mitai, and here it's written peanut sweet. Yeah, I don't know what exactly you call it, but this is my favorite. So I think if he had bought me the whole, I don't know, thousands of kapalli mitai, I would have been so happy. But I know that it's quite heavy, so I just told him get me 1 bar, and I don't know if he's got another bar, but yeah, I think there's only 1 bar. I just have to be happy with it and wait till somebody else goes to India and then ask them to bring it back. Then I have, yeah, so that's good. Just got me some meat masala. So that's meat masala. So anything with beef, or yeah, I think mainly with beef. I make beef curry, and that's what I use for. So he's got me this meat masala, and see the beautiful Manju Warrior is here advertising it. I don't know the company's name. I don't know this company's name, but yeah, it doesn't matter. Meat masala. You must be wondering why do I ask him to get all this, though, especially these ones, these packaged ones, we will also get it here in Germany. But I must tell you, I can see that here. I see it costs 36 euro, 36.50, 36 rupee 50 paisa. And here I think this packet will cost like 3 euro, and that is around, yeah, 200 rupee. So it's a lot more expensive here, and probably not not fresh. The packets might be, it's almost going to be expired or something like that. So I asked him to bring these. Then what do I have? I've got mustard seeds. So a lot of our foods also have mustard, right? Any kind of saute we do in the beginning, we have oil and then mustard seeds, and I love mustard seeds as well. So I kind of put mustard seeds in everything because I get to see them, and I just feel nice about it. So it was over, and he got me these mustard seeds. And again, this is not my very favorite kind of mustard, because it's kadugu. In Malayalam we call it kadugu. So these are, if you see, they are kind of a little bit bigger, and in Bangalore we get like half of it. So tiny mustards, and I kind of like the very tiny size of mustard. There's no difference in the taste or anything, but I just kind of this one you kind of can bite it. The other one is too small that you can't even bite it. But I'm happy with this mustard as well, because I've not really seen the very tiny mustards in Kerala. I think maybe you get it only in Bangalore and other places, but yeah, nevertheless, it's good. Then we have some cinnamon sticks. So pure and natural, it says. Roll patta. This we wanted it because we wanted to make small pieces and then put it in our tea. So I drink a lot of green tea, or it's also good, the cinnamon. So this is when we went to Dominican Republic for a trip. So there, the tour guide, he was showing us around the farm, and he was telling us one kind of tea is very good for health. And what he said was that hot water, ginger, lemon, honey and cinnamon stick, and then boil it together and drink. So that's the kind of tea, and I wanted to try that. So that's why he got the cinnamon stick for us. That is good. Then, it's getting over. Then we have got pickle. We have beef pickle, erchi pickle, and erchi achar, and pavika achar. That is bitter gourd. And how many of you know bitter gourd? Bitter gourd is very good for health. Not in the form of achar maybe, but if you eat it, like just steam it and have it, bitter gourd is very good. But we wanted to try the pickle one, and he's got us the bitter gourd pickle for us and the beef pickle. Of course, pickle goes with anything we eat. And yeah, thank you to my cousin for this. Then the last one is tamarind. So yeah, that's tamarind. And I wanted this tamarind because we make a lot of rasam. Rasam, and do we put rasam? Yeah, I make a lot of rasam all the time because it's very easy. You can check out on YouTube how to make rasam. It's very tasty and very easy. So, but the main ingredient to make rasam is tamarind, and he's got this tamarind because I only had a little bit more left, and I was kind of scared. Oh no, I won't be able to make any more rasam. So, rice, rasam, and papadam is amazing. Then that is it actually. Now this is something that I ordered from an Instagram store. So there was a store that I saw, it's called Bumblebee, and I ordered something from them, and of course I ordered it to his place and he got it for me. I love Kolhapuri sandals, so any type of Kolhapuri stuff I like, or Indian traditional shoes. And I got these from Bumblebee. Look at these Jyotis. I love it, right? It looks so good. It looks exactly like how I ordered it in the this is fine. There was some dust on it, but it's all right. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. And this actually I'm seeing it for the first time. Now I have to be truthful with you, okay? Because day before I got the bag, and yesterday I wanted to go out somewhere, and I so badly wanted, because I ordered 2 shoes, and I so badly wanted to wear the other one because I knew, so I opened it. But I can show you. Ta-da! That's the other shoe that I bought. It's again the same Jyoti style, but of course you can see I wore it once, and it's very comfortable. I mean, it's beautiful. It's very very nice color combination for this one, right? It's not like very traditional Jyoti, but it looks beautiful. It's got some handmade work done on it, like you see, right? Beads and sequins work on it. I loved it. I wore it yesterday. But other than this, I didn't pick anything from the bag. So like I said, this shoe I saw it for the first time. Because I now tried this yesterday, I know that this is going to fit me because it's same size. So that is the... Now look, the cover is empty. I don't have anything anymore. So this is the kit what my cousin got for me, and I'm so happy I waited for so long. And yeah, I hope you liked my little video, because maybe a lot of people who live in India, you wouldn't understand why we are so excited about this and making a video out of it. But for me, this is something that I got, the Indian stuff that I got after 2 years. So in the last 2 years, nobody was flying to India. We were not getting anything from India. So yeah, now to get something really from India, probably forget about something really from India. I think even the cover is so nice. So yeah, it's just very nice. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.